Stop memorizing the ventilator modes, start understanding the controls. Mechanical ventilator modes are not random options on the screen. Every mode is built around three fundamental options. Who triggers the breath? What is controlled? Pressure or volume? How does the breath end? All ventilator modes are variations of three principles. First, understand the two major control strategies. In volume control ventilation, you set the tidal volume. The ventilator guarantees that volume, but the pressure required to deliver it may vary on lung compliance and airway resistance. It is useful when you want strict control of minute ventilation, but pressures may rise if the lungs become stiff, such as in ARDS. In pressure controlled ventilation, you set the inspiratory pressure. The pressure is limited, which protects the lungs. But the tidal volume delivered will may vary depending on the compliance. If the lungs worsen, volume drops, so ventilation is not guaranteed. That is the core difference. Volume control guarantees volume, pressure control guarantees pressure. Now let's talk about common modes. Assist control AC delivers a full supported breath every time the patient triggers, or at a set backup rate. It provides maximum support but can cause respiratory alkalosis if patient is overbreathing. SIMV, synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation, gives a set number of mandatory breaths but allows spontaneous breathing. Offers partial support but can increase work of breathing. Pressure support ventilation is fully patient triggered and patient cycled. The ventilator only assists each spontaneous breath with a preset pressure. It is commonly used for weaning. Then there are advanced modes like pressure regulated volume control (PRVC), which automatically adjusts pressure to achieve a target volume, combining benefits of both strategies. The key principle is not memorizing the names. It is understanding, are you controlling pressure or volume? Is the patient triggering or the ventilator? Are you fully supporting or partially supporting? If you understand that, you understand every mode.